Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry from the basics. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Begin by mastering fundamental concepts such as atomic structure, bonding, and molecular geometry. Understanding these core principles, like sp3 hybridization, is crucial. Next, delve into nomenclature, learning to name compounds systematically. Finally, familiarize yourself with common functional groups and their unique properties. This initial groundwork will make subsequent topics much clearer. Once you have the basics down, dive into reaction mechanisms. Instead of just memorizing reactions, strive to understand the why behind each step. Practice drawing electron-pushing arrows to visualize bond breaking and forming. Categorize reactions by their mechanism type, like SN1 or SN2, which helps organize information. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to working through a variety of practice problems to solidify your understanding. To truly excel, adopt effective study habits. Use molecular models to visualize complex three-dimensional structures and stereochemistry, which is often difficult to grasp otherwise. Create flashcards for quick recall of reactions and reagents. Forming a study group can be incredibly beneficial for discussing challenging topics and explaining concepts to others. Aim to review your notes and textbook chapters at least 3 times a week for consistent reinforcement. Finally, here are some advanced tips. Always try to connect new concepts to what you have already learned. Organic chemistry builds upon itself. Actively identify common pitfalls and misconceptions to prevent repeating mistakes. Don't hesitate to seek help from your professors or teaching assistants during their office hours. They are there to support you. Remember, organic chemistry requires persistence and a positive mindset, so keep practicing and stay confident.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.